Hello, what is your name?
My name is Leilani Soto,
How old are you?
26 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes,
Do you have kids?
yes.
How many kids you have?
One kid,
How old?
5 years old,
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
So how long have you been working with your current employer?
2
2 years.
yes.
Where's your employer living in?
Stanley,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,800 square feet,
How many family members
4
there?
members,
How many children?
2.
How old are they
They are
now?
3 years old now and 7 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule?
When I wake up in the morning,
Okay.
I prepare for their breakfast and the snack for the kids in the school. Then I let them wake up in the morning. Then I feed them for the breakfast. Then I send them in the school. Then after that, I clean in the house. Then after that, I prepare for their lunch. Then I pick up the 3 years old kids. Then I feed him. Then after that, I let him sleep. Then I eat my lunch already. Then I have a rest 1 hour. Then after that, I let the kids wake up because the kids sleep only 1 hour. Then I iron the clothes. Then after that, we play in the playground. Then, 3 o'clock, I pick up the 7 years old. Then, I feed them snack. Then, I let them take a bath. Then, I feed them dinner. Then, 8 o'clock, I wash the dishes already. Then, I go inside my room.
Okay, thank you so much.